Hello, I'm Mark Stern and let me present to you Goldwyn House Retirement Apartments. Now behind me here is this block of absolute beautiful luxurious retirement apartments, and I've got the pleasure to be bringing to market this 1-bedroom 3rd floor apartment. Now this development has got everything you would ever need to enjoy an incredible retirement lifestyle. So before I take you around to have a look at the actual apartment itself, we're located on Studio Way. We're close to the A1, we're close to Borehamwood High Street, to Elstree Film Studios and the new Sky Studios. There's plenty around here to do, absolutely plenty of entertainment and restaurants and shops and everything that Borehamwood has to offer. So let me take you for a look around and you can decide for yourself whether this apartment could be something that you would be interested in. Now, have you been living where you live now for decades and decades and think it's about time to downsize and retire to some luxury? Some retirement living doesn't get much better than this. I can honestly say, and I've sold many retirement flats in my time as an agent, that they do not come much better than this. This entire block is just like a 5-star, in fact a 5-star plus hotel. So the kitchen is a great fitted modern kitchen. You have your oven here, which is quite low down, which is ideal if you're a wheelchair user. You've got your microwave oven, integrated fridge freezer, plenty of storage space, and you've got plenty of natural light with 3 windows alone just in this lovely lounge area. Gorgeous views that you can stand out here, look right across out there over Borehamwood, over in towards North London. Have a really good sized double bedroom here with modern fitted wardrobes and plenty of additional space for extra cupboards and dressing tables. Also a lovely wide window. Nice. So there's so much attention to detail here. Even the light switches, when the lights are off, you have the green lights that show up there, so they're easy to find in the dark. So now that you've seen the apartment itself, if you fancy having a look around, feel that this is something that you could be interested in, please give me a call on the number below. Thank you.